so we just cut you. Wanna be able to say when we come out and give you them prayer. Put up on hand. As I swear to God, may never be any mother but say thank you. We can't sing that song yet. You never go out your man from your back. Say thank you, DJ. Watch out. No ash who no nail pan your name. In a father God you put for your face. Never try all you don't but that time you are waste. You're proud to be black so you don't bleach your face. All the people that are proud to be black, put up on hand. Go continue. You're some Christian and bleach and that all them are too. So you don't bleach your face. God you know and I can you defend. You can just no eye over. Put up on that sing that song. You will never be in a man. Because you want again. No play with no depend on your heart. Oh no say you are really washed in the blood now. Oh, no, say that you did. Who are them again? Who are them? Say, who are them crocodile? Change your ways, people, change your ways. Like time, God, I call you and cock up your face. Return not to God, come and time you always. We never know which one when they in your place. A full time. For parchment paper. Yeah, some people love put people name but the somewhere in parchment paper and put in their shoes and talk about the people you walk past and yourself you walk past and feel your shoes and feel your shoes. Wicked people make your plan before. Tell us all ready to go home. Tell us all ready to go home. May I have 5 more minutes. Hold on. May I have 5 more minutes. Hold on. I don't want to give me time. I stage manager. And if you want to come back next year, and if you disobey your time, you can come back next year. Hold on, put on now. Take it up. Time pass somebody for you. Looking at their face. I want to tell them something now. See people, this is our living time. See people, this is our living. sing the song then. What's all over there, Gary? Some of them now gonna sing that one now. Second chance. Some of them now gonna sing that song. No, watch out. Play me low. Hope you work hard. I say, Kuku don't want to do some try now. I mean, James is not going on the studio. I know we're going on the studio. I'm just going on the studio, me and James. Because James is talented, you think he's a normal boy. I will just come up with a little song. We can't sing it. Everyone want me to sing this, sing it, Kuku.